Your Genesis GV60 is pulling the wheel towards an exit ramp you don't want to take. You can stop this. The immediate fix is on your steering wheel, but the permanent fix needs a dealer. To stop it right now, press and hold the driver assist button on your steering wheel. This turns off lane keep assist completely. For a better temporary solution, go into the vehicle settings. Find the lane safety menu and change the mode from assist to warning. The car will stop steering for you, but will still alert you if you drift out of your lane. This is only a temporary fix because the problem is physical. The car's front camera is looking slightly to the side, not straight ahead. We call this a yaw angle offset. It's why your highway driving assist hugs the right line. When a bright, clear line for an exit ramp appears, the crooked camera locks onto it and pulls the car, ignoring the actual road. The in-car recalibration, where you drive on a straight road, can't fix a physical camera misalignment like this. To fix this for good, the dealer needs to perform a Forward Camera EOL calibration. You should tell the service advisor that exact name. Their tools reset the camera's crooked angle back to 0. You should also ask them to check for software updates for the ADAS system. Newer software can make the camera smarter about ignoring confusing exit ramp lines. If you don't get this fixed, you'll just keep fighting the steering wheel. That constant pull is a clear sign the camera needs to be reset. Get the calibration checked before your next highway trip.